You should be able to sketch this part. For now, just add the A and B dimensions. However, there are a few tricky features to discuss. This is a straight line segment, which will be tangent to the arc. Notice the arc is not tangent to the horizontal line. This is an arc tangent to the adjacent arc, but not tangent to the horizontal line. The arc's center point is coincident to the angled line. Access the equations from the Tools pull-down menu. Type A in the Global Variables box and 81 in the Values box. Repeat that process, adding the B and C variables and values. Pick OK to close the equation dialog box. Edit the A dimension and type the equal sign and pick A from the global variables list. Notice the sigma symbol. This is your visual cue that SolidWorks is using an equation. A common mistake is forgetting the equal sign. SolidWorks adjusts the dimension to the correct value, but it's not linked to the equation. Notice there's no sigma signal. When I adjust, the A value will update, but the B will not. I'll adjust the variables to the values given. To correct the problem, edit the dimension and type the equal sign and pick the global variable from the list. You can use equations in the Features tool too. Here I make the extrusion thickness equal to the C variable.